Researchers conducted a field study in Rathcreggan, an ancient region in Roscommon, Ireland, examining over 240 archaeological sites and 60 protected national monuments, spanning from Neolithic to early medieval periods.
Their expedition was motivated by the mythical cave of Oweynagat, believed to be an entrance to the other world, connected to the Samhain festival and Celtic goddess Morrigan veneration. As the researcher delved into the cavern mouth, weeks of painstaking exploration led them to an astonishing discovery. They unearthed a network of tunnels heretofore uncharted by human eyes, leading them deep beneath the earth. These passages, seemingly crafted by natural forces, guided them to a vast complex of interconnected caverns, some towering over 100-meter height. The subterranean labyrinth contained an extraordinary, terrifying entrance resembling ancient doors or gates. The surrounding formations were unusual, resembling living entities' interiors, but scorched by an unimaginable conflagration. The rock exhibited the scars of a fire beyond mortal comprehension. Drawn by the inexplicable allure of these ancient gateways, the researcher pressed on. The deeper they ventured, the more their unease grew, for they encountered statues of immense and grotesque beings, warriors and monsters, their forms twined and alien. These effigies, bearing the likeness of entities with insectoid and octopoidal feature, stood sentinel over other, even deeper passages that seemed to lead into the very bowels of the earth. As they approached one of the larger doors, an earth-shaking growl emanated from the depths beyond. The sound was a resonant, guttural roar akin to the bellow of a leviathan from the deep, shaking the ground beneath their feet. The researchers were paralyzed with terror, the primal fear rooting them to the spot as the realization dawned that they were in the proximity of something ancient and unknown. As they approached one of the larger doors, an earth-shaking growl emanated from the depths beyond. The sound was a resonant, guttural roar akin to the bellow of a leviathan from the deep, shaking the ground beneath their feet. The researchers were paralyzed with terror, the primal fear rooting them to the spot as the realization dawned that they were in the proximity of something ancient and unknown. The unspoken consensus among them was clear: they had trespassed into a domain that demanded their swift retreat. Without a word, they turned and fled, the memory of that monstrous growl and the sight of those ancient statues haunting them. They swore an oath of silence, vowing never to return to that accursed place, a decision driven not by cowardice, but by a profound respect for the forces they had nearly awakened. The tale of their discovery is a mysterious legend, highlighting the thin veil between our world and the mysterious beneath. It covers ancient Celt prophecies and the terrifying reality of the Earth's surface, leaving a lasting impression.